Hi there and welcome back to the channel. We're back with another Quick Win Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about the null safe operator. The null safe operator has been available to us since PHP 8 and it will actually keep us safe from null objects. So let me show you. Alright, so I've created two classes. The user class and the address class, with also a get address inside a function inside the user class and a get street function inside the address class. I've also predefined the address with a street, a zip code and a country, and I've predefined the user object with a name, my own name, and the channel, which is this channel, code with bird. We have also changed the address object to the address value of the user object. So if we going to dump this right now, it's all there. So we have the user object with inside the address object with all the values inside. So if we're going to use the get address function, so get, oh, my capital is on, get address function and get street function, this will return this street from the address, and the get address will return the address. So fire this and we get street name, which is the street name that we defined. But what if the address isn't present in the user object? So if I comment out this line of code here, user address equals to address, well, the get address will return a null. And after that, we will try to get this get street function from a null. You can guess it already. I'm just going to run it. This will perform into a fatal error. It will try to get the function, call the function get street on a null object, which isn't possible. So you have maybe seen this in JavaScript before. We have the possibility to enter a question mark in here, right here, which actually will check if everything before the question mark, so user get address, if that's null, it will silently return a null. So for example, if I run this, we get null. If I chain it again, well, it passes this test, so it will return the street name. Alright, so that's it for this week. It was a very short one, but I think it's a very powerful feature in PHP. So embrace it, use it, and yeah, it's awesome. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.